Alam nyo guys, yung Pax Silica, para lang yung story ng The Devil Wears Prada. Basically, si Andy yung Pinas, yung may kailangan ng opportunity. And si Miranda, siya yung Pax Silica. Yung icons na to, sila yung countries na involved. And Pax Silica, aka Miranda, promises na mag-open daw sila ng maraming opportunities for Pinas, aka Andy, in exchange for building an AI hub in New Clark City. And remember yung cerulean scene? This stuff is important kasi whether we want it or not, may global AI race na. And just like yung cerulean scene, hindi lang tayo na-affect nun, but rather yung buong mundo. But the real question is, bakit si Andy yung pinili ni Miranda? Why? Kasi we are rich in resources, guys. Like meron tayong nickel and copper na essential para ma-power yung mga AI hub. Groundbreaking. Right? Ba't naman kailangan ni Andy si Miranda? Of course, kailangan ng Pinas ng opportunities and yung Pax Silica mag-open daw ng 130,000 high-quality jobs. But remember yung nangyari kay Andy? Na-lose niya yung friends niya, yung boyfriend niya, the same way na makakalose yung Pinas ng 3 gigawatts of electricity every day para lang ma-power yung mga hubs. Possible din na maging muddy na yung water quality natin, plus potential displacement pa ng 20,000 ATAs and local farmers. Okay guys, that's all.